I recently started using the Stem Cell Nail Gel Fungus Treatment Restoration, and I have to say it has been a very positive experience from the beginning. I had been dealing with nail discoloration and dryness for quite some time, and it often made my nails look unhealthy and weak. After trying several different nail care products without seeing much improvement, I decided to give this nail gel a chance. From the first few applications, I noticed that the gel felt very gentle and soothing on my nails. The texture is smooth and lightweight, and it spreads easily across the nail surface without feeling sticky or heavy. It absorbs nicely, which makes the whole application process simple and comfortable. I also appreciate that it fits easily into my daily routine because it only takes a moment to apply, yet it feels like it is doing something truly beneficial for my nails. After using the gel consistently for a while, I started noticing encouraging changes in the appearance of my nails. The dull and yellowish tone gradually began to look clearer, and my nails seemed healthier overall. The surface started to look smoother, and the natural shine of my nails slowly returned. What impressed me the most was how the product seemed to support the natural growth of healthier nails from the base. As new nail growth appeared, it looked stronger and more even compared to before. This gave me confidence that the gel was not just a temporary cosmetic solution but something that was helping improve the overall condition of my nails over time. Another thing I really like about this nail treatment is how comfortable it feels during regular use. It doesn't have a strong smell, and it doesn't cause irritation around the nail or cuticle area. The formula feels gentle, which is important for people who want a product they can apply regularly without worrying about harsh effects. It also keeps the nail area feeling hydrated rather than dry, which helps the nails look healthier and better maintained. I found that when my nails are properly nourished and cared for, they grow stronger and break less easily, and this gel seems to support that process very well. Overall, my experience with the Stem Cell Nail Gel Fungus Treatment Restoration has been very satisfying. It is simple to use, comfortable to apply, and gradually improves the appearance of the nails with consistent care. Instead of complicated treatments or harsh products, this gel offers an easy and practical way to support nail health. With continued use, my nails look cleaner, stronger, and more natural, which has made me feel much more confident about their appearance. For anyone looking for a gentle yet effective nail care product that helps restore the look of healthier nails, this gel is definitely a great option to consider.